Alright, so the last type we are going to look at right now is Boolean type. Okay, Boolean, it's a very wonderful and interesting type because it only encompasses two states, right? Boolean can either be 1 or 0, or true or false, okay? So 1, 0, or true or false, okay? That's what a Boolean does. So a Boolean, right? True or false at any given moment. It can either be true or false, like we said, or I guess 1, 0. And in fact, I'm sure you've heard before people say, oh, computer is all about ones and zeros. So that means computer is all about booleans, really, if you think about it. Next time you are at a party and somebody says, hey, tell me more what a computer is, you can say, hey, a computer is all about booleans, ones and zeros, trues and false. Really. It's a little bit more complicated than that, but essentially that's all really. This decision-making process here. If something is true, then we do this. If not, then we do it something else. Okay? And we'll see more about that. Now, how do we then instantiate or create a Boolean variable? Well, you guessed it. There is Boolean. So say enter. Say my bool. And let's set this one to true. Again, if we go here, let's just concatenate here since we know. And my bool is... We know about concatenation here. Let's just throw my Boolean, my bool variable into our system out here so we can see. Let's save and run. As you can see, my char is H and my bool is true. There we go. So you've learned yet another type, which is Boolean. Okay? Just remember, Boolean is either true or false. So, and we will use this example on how to use Booleans when we learn about decision-making, if and else statements, and loops at a later time. Now, at least you know the basic types in Java, right? Which are strings, integers, bytes, shorts, floats, double, chars, Boolean. So those are our basic types in Java, which we'll be using most frequently. And of course, we're not going to be using all of them, but at least it's important that you know that they do exist. So in cases when you need to figure out where or how to use one, or decide which one to use, now at least you have an idea. Okay? Alright, good job, and I'll see you in the next video.